Department of Physician Assistant, SMS College of Medicine. Today we are going to see about structure of heart. Here is the model of human heart. Heart is a hollow muscular organ. Hollow means it contains empty space inside. So our human heart will be like this. It has many parts. Our students will explain one by one. Heart is a muscular organ. It is made up of cardiac muscle. It is only formed in heart. It helps for heart contraction and also blood pumping. The average weight of heart is 250 grams to 350 grams. Male heart is slightly bigger than female heart. Sashwari will explain the surface anatomy of heart.
There are three major surfaces present in the heart. First is sternocostal surface, which is present in the front side of the heart.
It is also called as anterior surface. It is contact with the sternum bone, so it is called as externocostal surface.
The second surface is diaphragmatic surface, which is present in the bottom of the heart.
It is also called as inferior surface. In the apex of the heart, it is contact with the diaphragm, so it is called as diaphragmatic surface.
The third surface is pulmonary surface, which is present in the left and right side of the heart.
The pulmonary surface is divided into right pulmonary surface and left pulmonary surface. Right pulmonary surface contact with right lung, left pulmonary surface contact with left lung. So here is the right pulmonary surface and then left pulmonary surface. Bajaj will explain the covering layers of heart.
There are three layers of heart: epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. Epicardium is the outer layer, myocardium is the middle layer, endocardium is the inner layer.
Then the outermost layer of the heart is called the pericardium. It has two layers, outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer. There is a space between these two layers is called the pericardial space. It contains pericardial fluid. It reduces friction between the layers of heart. Vasan will explain the chambers of the heart.
Heart consists of four chambers: right atrium, left ventricle, left ventricle.
Heart has four partitions inside the heart. There are two superior chambers called the right atrium and left atrium. Two inferior chambers is called the right ventricle and left ventricle. These chambers contain oxygenated as well as deoxygenated blood for circulation. Gurulakshmi will explain the valves of the heart.
There are two types of valves present in the heart: atrioventricular valves and seminal valves. Atrioventricular valves present tricuspid valves and bicuspid valves. Seminal valves are pulmonary valves and the aortic valves.
Atrioventricular valve present between atrium and ventricle. Between the right atrium and right ventricle, there is a wall called the tricuspid valve. Between the left atrium and left ventricle, there is a wall called the bicuspid valve. Atrioventricular valves contains cusp in this structure. If three cusps present, it is called as tricuspid valve. If two cusps present, it is called bicuspid valve. The another type of valves is semilunar valves. It is like half moon shape, so it is called semilunar valves. There are two valves, aortic valve and pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve contains deoxygen blood from right ventricle. Then it carries to the lungs for oxygenation. Then the aortic valve transport oxygenated blood from left ventricle throughout the body for systemic circulation. Next, Keetwani will explain the conduction system of heart.
Conduction system of the heart generate electrical impulse. There are four stages: SA node, AV node, bundle of these Purkinje fibers.
There are four parts in conduction system. It generates electrical impulse for heart pumping. Then only blood pump to the various parts. For the first one is SA node. It is also called as natural pacemaker. It contains pacemaker cells. It is the first structure will initiate the electrical impulse. It present in the right atrium. Next, the electrical impulse will generate to AV node, atrioventricular node. It present between atrium and ventricle, so it is called as atrioventricular node. Then it will transfer the electrical impulse to bundle of this. Bundle of this divided into two parts: right bundle branch and left bundle branch. Right bundle branch present in right side of the heart. Left bundle branch present in left side of the heart. Then it will generate the electrical impulse to Purkinje fibers. It is present in the lower part of the heart. The SA node will generate electrical impulse. Then it is travel to the another parts of conduction system. Then atrium will contract. Then ventricles also contract. Then pumping will occur. So the blood is transferred to another parts of the heart. Then we will see the circulation of heart. From the upper part of the body, superior vena cava. It is the largest blood vessel. Collect the deoxygenated blood. And from the the lower part of the body, inferior vena cava collect the deoxygenated blood. Then it transfers to the deoxygenated blood to right atrium. Then the right atrium transfer the deoxygenated blood through tricuspid valve to right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the pulmonary valve carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. In lungs, the gas exchange will occur. It will convert it into oxygenated blood. Then the oxygenated blood transfer into the left atrium. Then the left atrium, the oxygenated blood travels through left ventricle through bicuspid valve. Then the blood transfer to aorta for systemic circulation. From the branches of aorta, the